Hello guys, what's up? How you guys doing? You know, say they like to carry you guys along. Finally, I don't land for Nick house. This place looks so beautiful. Do you imagine? Now I can't do that place this suffer. Eh? Ha. She wanna no say I don't tell on one story concerning this guy. Now what this guy and my ex guy you. Wey me with I was supposed to don't dey become husband and wife. Now he leave me for one girl. You understand? But I still thank God say he don't come back. You understand? You gonna know how the belle take happen. I no bin get the belle, but things tell me say make I no worry. So now I no wan make you know say I keep camera one place. You understand? So no we do our thing. Make us set am well. Which place I fit put this thing now make you know no. Okay. Here dey okay.